The world is watching closely as tensions explode in the Middle East. A massive conflict has erupted and the situation is becoming more dangerous with every passing hour. Powerful airstrikes, missile launches, and military operations are shaking the region. Reports say that large-scale attacks have hit multiple strategic targets, and explosions have been reported across several cities. Military forces are moving rapidly, fighter jets are flying over the skies, and defense systems are trying to intercept incoming missiles. According to recent reports, hundreds of targets have already been hit in the ongoing campaign, making this one of the most intense military confrontations in recent years. The conflict started when coordinated military strikes targeted key infrastructure and military bases. Soon after, retaliation began. Missiles and drones were launched toward military installations across the region, creating fear and uncertainty among civilians and governments alike. Air defense systems were activated, sirens echoed across cities, and emergency services rushed to respond to the destruction caused by powerful explosions. The situation is escalating quickly. Military analysts say that thousands of weapons, including drones and ballistic missiles, have been used in the first phase of the conflict. Several countries in the region have also been affected as attacks spread beyond the initial battlefield. Strategic locations, military bases, and energy facilities have become key targets in this dangerous confrontation. The impact of this conflict is not only military but also economic. Global oil markets have already started reacting to the crisis. Prices of crude oil have surged sharply as fears grow that the war could disrupt energy supplies across the world. Experts warn that if the fighting continues to expand, the global economy could face serious consequences. Meanwhile, reports from the battlefield describe heavy bombing and continuous airstrikes in several areas. Large clouds of smoke have been seen rising above cities, while military aircraft continue operations day and night. Governments around the world are closely monitoring the situation, and many leaders are calling for urgent diplomatic efforts to prevent the conflict from spreading further. Security experts say this conflict could reshape the geopolitical balance of the entire Middle East. If the escalation continues, more countries could become involved, turning the crisis into a wider regional war. Military alliances, strategic bases, and international politics are all playing a major role in what could become one of the most significant conflicts of this decade. For now, the world waits and watches. Will diplomacy stop the escalation, or will the conflict grow even larger? The coming days may decide the future of the region and possibly the stability of global security. One thing is certain, this situation is changing rapidly, and every new development could alter the course of the conflict. Stay tuned for more updates as the story continues to unfold.